Good afternoon, Ava, Aaron, Atasham, Liam, Dylan, Jaden, Saleh, Vincent, and Salvador, and all of your amazing families helping you at home. Mrs. A really misses you guys. I hope you're doing well, and I hope most importantly you're helping at home and washing your hands with lots of soap. I am here at my home today to read you a story. I hope you enjoy, and I will be talking to you parents on Tuesday. Animals you can see at the zoo. This is an elephant. They are very big animals and have a long memory and a very long nose called a trunk. They make a trumpet sound. This is a lion. It is the king of the jungle and goes roar. This is a monkey. They spend a lot of time up in trees and like to eat fruits. This one has a banana. They go ee. This is a kangaroo from Australia. It bounces and bounces anywhere it wants to go.
Boing, boing.
This is a giraffe. It has a very long neck to reach to the tender leaves up on the high tree. They are very tall and very quiet animals. This is a tiger. It is a big cat that hunts in the jungle. Be careful not to run into one of these big cats in the jungle. It goes grrr. This is an alligator. They have lots of teeth and spend most of the time in the water. Don't go near these big creatures. They rumble. This is a flamingo. It is a beautiful bird. They are very noisy and go squawk, squawk. This is a rhino. He is a big animal and has a horn on his head. They go snort, snort. Thank you so much for joining me in my home today. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.